If your shower glass keeps looking foggy or cloudy, even after you've cleaned it, there's a reason it never stays clear. Those white streaks are not soap or dirt. They're hard water minerals that actually bond to your glass. And once you know what breaks them down, it's surprisingly simple. I'm gonna show you 3 quick steps that actually work. I'm Brooke with Snap Clean, and we actually help clients deal with this exact issue. These are the steps that are finally gonna make your glass stay clear without harsh chemicals or expensive cleaners. Hard water leaves behind calcium and magnesium. They dry on the glass and form a dull film that normal cleaners can't dissolve. That's why you can scrub all day, use every brand underneath your kitchen cabinet, and the very next day it's gonna look cloudy again. The secret is using ingredients that are actually gonna dissolve the minerals, not just move them around. Step 1 is vinegar. Spray plain white vinegar generously over your cloudy glass and let that sit there for about 5 to 10 minutes. That soak time is what breaks down that mineral buildup. Don't rush it. If you watch closely, you might even see the cloudy film start to fade while it sits. That's the vinegar doing its job. If your glass is really bad, go ahead and respray with vinegar halfway through instead of scrubbing early. It's all about giving the vinegar time to dissolve. Step 2, baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with a splash of water until it's thick like a toothpaste. Use a soft microfiber towel or a sponge and scrub gently in circles. The vinegar loosens the minerals and the baking soda starts lifting the cloudy layer. You don't have to press hard, let the reaction do the work. If you don't have baking soda on hand, you can also use Bar's Keeper Friend and it'll do the exact same job. And whatever you do, skip rough pads or steel wool. Those can scratch your glass and make stains come back faster next time. This step removes the haze, but the key is what you do next to keep it from coming back. Step 3, rinse and dry. Rinse the glass with warm water, then dry it completely with a clean microfiber towel. That's what keeps it streak-free and stops new spots from forming. If you leave any water behind, minerals begin to settle as it dries. So drying is what locks in that clear finish. You'll actually see the glass start to shine again right away. It looks brand new. I'll link my favorite microfiber towels in the description. They're reusable, eco-friendly, and perfect for glass and mirrors. If you'd like an easy spray to keep that shine between deep cleans, a few natural products work really well, like 7th Generation Glass Cleaner, Method Glass and Surface Cleaner, or Better Life Natural Glass Cleaner. Once it's clear again, keep a small microfiber towel or squeegee in your shower. A quick 10-second wipe after each use keeps the minerals from bonding again, and your glass stays crystal clear for months. So vinegar, baking soda, and a towel is all it really takes. And once you do it once, upkeep becomes super easy. That's it. No harsh chemicals, no endless scrubbing, just 3 simple steps that actually work. If you found this helpful, I actually made a video on why your towels still smell bad even after washing and how to make them smell fresh truly again. Watch here and I'll see you there.